How to check unsent emails on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. The Mail app on iPhone allows users to manage emails from various accounts in one place. You will then be taken to the Mailboxes page, where you can view all your email folders. Now, look for and tap on the Outbox folder as shown. The Outbox is a temporary storage for emails that are in the process of being sent. If an email fails to send due to a poor connection or other errors, it remains here. You can now view all your unsent emails in this folder. From here, you can choose to edit the mail before resending or delete them. Following these steps, you can easily check unsent emails on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.